Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert, edit, delete, and display all the comments in Excel. Let's get started. I'll place my cursor wherever I want to add a comment and navigate to the Review tab. Under the Review tab, there is an option called New Comment. Click on it. You'll notice the author's name. I'll start typing my comment and click outside the comment box. Now, if I return to that spot, hovering over it will display the comment. However, there's a quicker method than going to the Review tab and clicking New Comment. You can use a shortcut. Pressing Shift, then F2 on your keyboard will instantly insert a comment. Let me demonstrate. With my cursor here, I'll press Shift, then F2. And there you go, a shortcut to insert a comment. But what if you forget the shortcut? No worries. Click outside, place your cursor again, and you will see that Shift F2 is the shortcut to create a new comment. That's how you insert a comment. Now on to editing. To edit a comment, you can use the same shortcut. Keep your cursor in the cell and press Shift F2 again. This will enter the editing mode. I'll demonstrate by typing in editing mode. If you prefer another method to edit a comment, simply place your cursor in the cell with a comment and navigate to Edit Comment. Use whichever method feels more convenient to you. Next, how do you delete a comment? To delete, position your cursor and go to the Review tab. Then select Delete. Alternatively, if you don't have a mouse, you can press Shift F2, which brings you to the editing mode, then press Escape to stop editing, and hit the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the comment. Let's try it. Place your cursor in the cell, press Shift F2, then Escape, and Delete. See? The comment disappears. This shortcut method can be used, or you can opt for the Review tab to delete comments. Similarly, to view all comments, select the option Show All Comments. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.